Tonight we're making a brown sugar honey glazed mahi mahi. It's springtime and perfect weather to cook on the gas grill. We'll take 2 mahi mahi fillets and marinate them for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Our marinade is made with olive oil, soy sauce, honey, lime juice, brown sugar, garlic, red onion, salt, and pepper. Cooking them on the grill instead of a pan really adds to the flavor of the dish. The name Mahi Mahi comes from the Hawaiian language where it means strong. The name was given to the fish due to its remarkable strength and speed when caught. Mahi Mahi is also known as dolphin fish or dorado, which means golden in Spanish. We'll serve our Mahi Mahi with asparagus, drizzled with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and it's also cooked on the gas grill. This recipe is easy to make and it doesn't cost a fortune. It's a great way to impress your guests without breaking the bank. We're making brown sugar honey glazed mahi mahi in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mahi Fillets. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Brown sugar honey glazed mahi mahi. This recipe combines the savory flavor of mahi mahi with the sweetness of brown sugar and honey to create a dish that will tantalize your taste buds. Served with large asparagus, drizzled with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and cooked on the gas grill with the mahi. Our mahi mahi is topped with a sauce made from the marinade, butter, and sliced mushrooms. Our first step is to make the marinade. In a small bowl, add in 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil, 2 ounces of soy sauce, 2 ounces of honey, the juice of a fresh squeezed lime, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion. Give the marinade a nice stir to ensure that all of the ingredients are mixed in thoroughly. Season the mahi fillets with salt and pepper. We'll marinate our mahi fillets in a sealed container. Add a few tablespoons of the marinade to the bottom of the container. Then place the mahi fillets into the container. Add the marinade to the mahi fillets and ensure that the entire surface of the fish is coated. This is similar to basting. Once the mahi fillets are thoroughly coated with the marinade, cover the container with a sealed lid and place the container into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Asparagus goes great with mahi mahi. Place the asparagus spears onto a plate and drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Mix the asparagus spears together to ensure that each one is coated and then place the plate into the refrigerator. And now it's time to get chillin' with the grilling. Preheat your gas grill to its highest setting. We want the grill to be super hot. Place the marinated mahi onto the grill and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Then flip the mahi over and cook it for another 4 minutes. Here is where we'll place our asparagus onto the grill. For crispy asparagus, it only takes 4 minutes of cook time. If you like it a bit more tender, you can leave it on the grill for a few extra minutes. Remove the mahi and asparagus from the grill and place them onto a plate or sheet pan with aluminum foil. Wrap the foil over the food and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll make our sauce. Pour the marinade into a pan and turn the heat up to medium-high and bring the marinade up to a simmer. Add in a small 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms. Stir the mushrooms into the sauce and allow them to cook and reduce for about 10 minutes. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook some linguine. To add an extra zing to the sauce, we'll add a few ounces of brandy. Brandy or bourbon goes really well with honey and brown sugar. Let it simmer for a few more minutes and then give the mushrooms and sauce a nice stir. Turn off the heat and add in a few pieces of cold butter. Strain the sauce into a gravy boat. Then place the pan of mushrooms back onto the stove. Add in the linguine to the pan and stir it into the mushrooms. We'll add some fresh squeezed lemon juice here too. And now it's time to plate our dish. We're using a beautiful plate courtesy of our friends at International Tableware Incorporated in Toledo, Ohio. It's from their Stonehaven dinnerware collection and it looks like a giant seashell, so it's perfect for our dish tonight. We'll leave a link in the description to their website. And there it is! Brown sugar, honey glazed mahi mahi, cooked on a grill for added flavor and excitement. Served with grilled asparagus, mushrooms, and linguine, and topped with a brandy-infused sauce. Tender and juicy mahi mahi, crispy asparagus, and savory mushrooms and linguine. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!